This is how bad I want a matcha right now, and don't want to play with Starbucks or anybody else to play with my money this morning. Give me a nasty drink while I'm on a budget. So I'm going to Burlington to hope I find some matcha there so I can go home and make me a matcha. Cause duh, I'm on a budget. And I got super soaked at Burlington. Now, better try Ross. Ross had it. So, and I found this one, y'all. It is a strawberry matcha latte with oat milk. Just add water. So, I usually don't get any matcha lattes like that from the store that you just have to add water, just water. But I'm excited. I had to get it. And they had a whole bunch of these in just one of the pure matcha. And I usually like to get the pure matcha like this. This is 4 ounces. I usually like to buy it by the pound. But this is $5 for 4 ounces. And you can stretch this. It's 113 servings out of this one. And this one it says about 8 servings. So when you get it unsweetened with no additives, you can stretch it out, put your own sugar and stuff. And I had to grab the strawberry one because I just ran out of sugar. So I'm like, shoot, I'm gonna get that. And I don't feel like stuff at the store again to get no sugar or no agave right now. We do have honey. Honey always works. So the last thing I got right here was a mushroom blend, and this has 7 mushrooms: lion's mane, chaga, cordyceps, reishi, turkey tail, shiitake, maitake. And I'm gonna actually put this in our matcha because this is like my daily vitamin, my brain functioning, and all the good stuff that you need. I'm telling you.
How long are you gonna be out there?